Now let me stop. Hello, happy people. I know you haven't seen me in a while. I have an excuse for that. So if you didn't know, I am pregnant. Yay! But I've been like running up and down to the doctors. There's been so much going on that I didn't really have time to record, and I actually kind of wanted to keep that stuff kind of personal. So yeah, I am 11 weeks, and what's today? Tuesday, and 2 days. 2 days? 2 days. I think so. Yeah. Either 2 or 3 days, but I have like a little belly. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me lift this sweater up. But it's just got a little belly going on already, a little flat booty. But yeah. So if you can't tell, I actually just came from the store, so I'm still kind of out of breath. And honestly, I could feel the baby move a little bit, and it's so like, but yeah, anyway, I just came from the store, and I'm gonna make some spaghetti because that's what I've been craving, and it's easy to make. I'm so tired. I've been running around all day cleaning, doing laundry. I just got to my boyfriend's house, and I'm actually gonna set this little guy up for him. I got this for him. He already has a smart TV, so you know, this will help him a lot. I was telling him about it, and he was really like into it. And leave it up to him, he wouldn't get it. Like he would just be like, "Y'all want it, I want it," and just never go get it. Cause he's always working, and then when he's not working, he's just tired. So yeah, I'm about to set that up for him. That'll be a nice little. What am I showing y'all? What am I showing y'all? I don't know what's over there, but yeah, that would be a nice little gift for him, a nice little surprise when he comes home from work. He already has a smart TV, so like when he's can't find the remote and stuff, he could just say, "Alexa, turn it off," and he's gonna get the light bulbs. Now that I got that, I know he's gonna get the light bulbs now, so that could help, so he could turn off the light and stuff. So yeah. But I'm about to go in the kitchen. I also, oh my gosh, you can't really see it. Handmaid's Tale. Let me zoom in a little bit. Zoom in even out. But yeah, I've been hearing so much about this show. I'm about to watch it. Well, I'm not gonna watch it now. I'm about to put on some music and stuff and cook. And then after I finish cook, what do I keep showing y'all? I hope you can see me, but I'm about to cook, and yeah, I'm gonna sit down and watch the show because I don't know what time he's gonna come home from work, and I may be asleep by the time he come back, honestly. But yeah, so I'm about to do all of that. I keep drifting off. I gotta get used to holding this camera again. But yeah, I'm about to go in the kitchen. I'm gonna take you guys with me. I think I'm gonna do like a little time lapse of that because I'm gonna play music and I don't want to get copywritten. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in a few. Woo, hold up, Beyonce. Let me turn the wall for a second. Okay, happy people, this is what I will be using tonight. This is gonna be obviously the garlic toast. The noodles I'm using, I already got the water boiling. Ground beef. I put some sausages. This is gonna be my first time putting sausages in it, but it should be good. These are the seasonings: adobo, black pepper, some cayenne pepper, paprika. Yo, if you don't use Mrs. Dash, I don't know what you're doing with your life, man. I really love this brand of seasoning, and these two, these are really good. But they have like a small sprout, so it takes a while for you to get the seasoning out. Some parsley and onion powder. My grandmother uses this seasoning, and what the hell is wrong with me? Seasoning. She uses this a lot. It's cheap, but it's really good. We're gonna get some more seasoning though, but we're gonna wait until these are gone. No, adobo stays. This stays. And I got some gloves for all you nasties out there, especially if you're making ground beef. please use gloves, and especially, ooh, look at my nails. Aren't they so pretty? Excuse me. Shh, act like you didn't hear that. Aren't my nails so pretty though? Shout out to my godmother. I will link her down below. But anyway, yeah, especially if you have long nails, you should definitely be using gloves. But I'm about to turn this off for a second and set it up so I could do a time lapse, and yeah.
We'll be right back.